By an amazing turn of events, we have Pebbles! I know, Mama, I'm sorry. I know the everything, like the lens and stuff, it scares you. But just say hi to the channel. Okay, bye. Alright. Ooh, Merry Christmas. So I keep getting DMs asking, what's happening with the Sonata? What's coming next? Have you done anything? Is the wrap happening still? I'm going to answer a lot of those questions in today's video. But I'm going to show you guys basically what I have so far, what I still have to replace, and all the stuff that's going to be coming in the near future. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, guys, and I appreciate you if you leave me a comment. Let me know what you like about the car and what you want to see come to the car. All right, hopefully the road noise isn't too much in the background, but this is my little balcony section, and this is one of my rims that I've actually have on the car. This is one of the fourth and final wheels that I actually have to put onto the car. I've been using this stuff, Super Wraps. It's like a liquid vinyl wrap. It's kind of like plasti dip, but with a little bit more of a shine and a little bit more of a glossy look to it. So this is the gloss black, and this is their high gloss clear coat. So I'm hoping that it gets the job done, and let's see how it withstands the test of time. And so much better. Oh God, we're inside where it's quiet, and I mean, just look at the, oh look, it's Pebbles. Pebbles, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Oh, no? Okay, it's fine. She doesn't want to say hi right now, but look at this finish. I guess, I mean, I'm going to be real, on camera, it pops, but it does not do it enough justice for that finish. Oh my goodness gravy. What do you guys think? Is that a 10 out of a 10? Do you think it's going to look good? Also, we still have to put on our center caps. So that is what it looks like with the center cap on. So again, let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys onto the car. So that pretty much ends our conclusion here. Look at those rims. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you guys think again in the comment section down below. But while I'm here, I do want to show you a little something else that I'm working on in process. So over here, I actually picked up these kind of like middle trim pieces for the steering wheel. Now this is not something that you can look up directly. I ended up also wrapping that. I hope you can see that well. I ended up wrapping this as well. But this you have to look at like the Hyundai Azure. I'll have to probably just link it down for you guys. But I ended up having to cut this piece in the middle in half pretty much in order to achieve this, as well as cutting these parts here. I'm inside. I have a spread here on the table just to show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what I've been working on as far as the fog lights have been going, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking me questions about what's going with the fog lights, what's going on with the fog lights. I'm not happy myself. I've owned these things for about a year now, and I actually haven't really shown you guys a whole lot based on them, but I'm going to show you what's going on right now. Okay, so now the lights are off. I'm going to go ahead and turn on our left ones, which was our original design, and also turn on our right ones. Really is where they differ the most and why I'm still going for this design, because it's a little bit more simple, easier to install, less complicated, less wires, versus where this one just doesn't work. And I don't know if you've also caught it by now. That one on the far left shorted out completely after the fact, before I even started recording this video. Wasn't having any issues until now, and also that's a nightmare to touch, so I'm not going to do that. You can see the different colors. So this is what yellow looks like. This is what red looks like. This is what purple and green. This is what, whoa, that's weird. I'm supposed to be on purple, but it's showing as green. This is what blue is supposed to look like, and this is what green's supposed to look like. So the colors are already thrown completely off. Let's switch over to our other one on the right side, and you can see orange, we have yellow, we have a brighter yellow, we have pink, we have blue, we have red, we have, I guess, like a turquoise, and we have, now let's go through the different modes and effects. We have rainbow, and we can also control the speed of that as well. We have a bunch of different effects that actually do what it's supposed to do. We even have this kind of interesting cop effect. I believe it's 22. It's a little bit of like a cop effect, if you know what I mean, like a police lights. So my point is, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So if I use this bottom section, I can actually turn it more white, or I can just go back to straight colors, which is exactly what you want in an RGB versus this monstrosity on our left that just does the absolute most. So let's go ahead and switch these back to white on both of them, and you can actually see the differences between all of them. And just like that, guys, that is exactly what's going on with the car as far as modifications, fog lights, carbon work, wraps, things of that nature. Let me know what you think about the wheels. Let me know what you think about these lights. Which one is your favorite? Which one would you choose? And let me know, most importantly, if you want to see me do a video on how to basically convert these into that, because I do now have to remove all of the stuff that I did on this build to make it exactly like that. So if that's what you want to see in a future video, please let me know right now in the comments section down below. It's not that hard, to be honest, and it's way cheaper to do that than it is to do this. So again, let me know. And as always, guys, I appreciate you so much, and I will see you, yes, you, in the next one. Peace.